guys, it's Quinn here from Lendy and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we've got Sarah, a home loan expert here at Lendy, to chat through the main differences between using a mortgage broker and going directly to your bank when you refinance or buy a new home. So welcome, Sarah.
Thanks, Quinn. Thanks for having me.
Let's dive right in. What are the key differences between using a mortgage broker and going directly to a bank?
So it's pretty simple, Quinn. It's more choice and more products. And when you're using an online home loan platform or a mortgage broker, you've got access to a more wider range of options. So for instance, Lendy compares over 2,000 loan options from 35 banks or lenders. Whereas if you go directly to a bank, you'll see a handful of loans that the banks offer. Third parties aren't tied to a particular lender or product, and they must recommend a loan that best suits the customer's needs. So third parties can often have access to special offers and products such as discretionary discounts on interest rates, cashback offers, and a reduction in fees. So their role is to also help you understand and compare the best home loan options that are available. It's basically more choice and more savings. And at the end of the day, more choices can have the most impact on your wallet. The more loans that you can compare, the more likely you are to find that needle in the haystack that's right for your specific needs. If you go to a bank directly, you'll significantly limit the loans that you can compare, and you may perhaps choose a loan that doesn't meet your needs and the preferences as well as others might.
Sarah, you mentioned that mortgage brokers tend to have more choice, but would you say that brokers may be inclined to choose one bank over another? How do we know that brokers are choosing the right loan for customers?
Yeah, it's a good question, Quinn. This scenario could happen with certain mortgage broker companies when a commission structure is favouring writing a loan with a particular bank or lender. I do need to say, though, at Lendy, we're not incentivised to choose any one lender over another. Our phone brokers are paid base salaries, and their bonus is not tied to choosing any particular lender over another one, but more on the quality of their service, the speed of the application and reviews. Our online home loan platform also allows you to choose a product based on, your financial scenario.
Brilliant. And some might say that, going to a bank directly would be less hassle than going to a broker. What are your thoughts on this?
So home loan applications require a lot of information and a lot of paperwork. One huge benefit of using a broker is that it's a lot more convenient. So if you go directly into a bank, for example, you'll often need to find time out of your workday to visit a local bank branch. Although nowadays some banks are, allowing you to start your application online, you'll still likely need to visit a branch during business hours to provide documents such as bank statements or your ID. This would be difficult, especially during times like this when everyone's stuck in lockdown. If you use a mortgage broker, though, they'll do all the hard work for you. So from finding the right loan for your needs and submitting your loan application, they can take the stress out of the process for you. If you use an online home loan platform such as Lendy, this goes one step further. You can apply from the comfort of your home at any time of the day. You can also upload and verify your documents securely online, so you don't need to visit a branch. Online home loan platforms like us also offer round-the-clock support from home loan experts or specialists who are on hand to answer any of the questions or concerns that you might have. And once you've submitted your application, you can check your loan status, 24/7. You'll also be regularly kept up to date with your loan progress so that there's no need to chase up the bank to find out what's going on with your application.
That's great, Sarah. And given the benefits of going with a broker, I could hardly imagine why anyone wouldn't choose this option. But what would be the cost to a customer then if they do decide to go with a mortgage broker?
Look, no, the service is free. There aren't any hidden costs. Brokers are only paid by the lender when the loan settles, and none of this cost is passed on to the customer.
If you want to find out more information about how to secure your best home loan rate on the market, you can check out our video here below. Thanks, Sarah, again for being here to answer our FAQs about mortgage broker versus bank, and we will see you there next time.